The hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as you gather in the energy, bring it into the heart. Send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, breathing out. As always, take as many breaths as you need. Just make sure you are breathing. It's my only rule. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. The arms float down. The knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, floating down. Like a soft rain, rising up and letting go. One more time, open the door. Stepping out on the path. The arms float out to the side, spreading your wings. The arms float down. The palms face up. They float up and over the head, pressing all the way out and down. Or just coming up as much as you can. Never forcing it, always easing in. Just letting go of striving. Just being here is enough. One more time, holding up the sky. Then don't forget to let it go. From here, the fingertips point up. Gently rotate to one side. The hand spirals forward, the other hand spirals behind. Coming back to center, gently turning the other way, making the tiger claws. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the tiger claw. This time, the hands keep on going up overhead. The hands spiral out and away from each other. The fingertips point up, coming right up to midline, spiraling the energy throughout the body, silk railing. Breathing in, breathing out one more time. And then reverse direction with the arms. Circle in front, hug the tree, and soften. The arms open up wide. And then this hand here comes up and over, the other hand behind the back, making two loose fists, gently turn to one side. And then coming back to center, two loose fists, turn the other way. Like you're drawing out the swords. Gentle rotation. One more time to the other side, drawing sabers. And then from here, the fingertips drift towards each other. The hands draw in towards the heart. Push out to the side. The hands come back in towards the center, push out to the other side. The dragon stretches its tail. This time as you push out to the side, the opposite foot touches down right out to the other side. Gentle reach with the leg. Other side, tap the toes right out to the side. This time you can tap the toes in front, like you're testing out the waters. Other side, tap the toes. This time, tap the toes behind. Other side, tap the toes behind. This time you can cross the leg diagonally behind, like you're doing a curtsy. And then one more time to the other side, the dragon stretches its tail. And then hug the tree and soften. From here, the hands float down. They scoop all the way up and over, and then down in front of the body. Just taking a moment to gather in the energy, gather in the breath, and let it wash through the body. The bathing breath. We're bathing in this healing energy, showering ourselves with love and compassion. One more time, the bathing breath. And then circle the arms in front, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the palms face towards each other. The hands drop down as you soften the hips and knees. Then the hands float all the way up and over to the side, and then down the center line of the body, planting the tree. Other side, breathing in, breathing out, just coming down as much as you can comfortably, being kind to yourself. One more time, planting the tree, grounding into the earth. And then circle in front, hug the tree. The arms open wide. This hand scoops under, the other one on top as you embrace the moon, then pivot on the heel. The toes point out to the side, the moon orbits the earth. The hands circle around, breathing, feeling all the sensations that you can, bringing mindfulness to the body. And then reverse direction, circling it around. Might even start to feel a little tingling in the hands. That's the chi, the life force energy. And then hug the tree, bring it back to center. From here, the arms open wide. Then this hand scoops under, the other one on top. Pivot on the heel, toes point out the other way. The moon orbits around the earth. Circling it around, staying nice and tall, breathing. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Reverse direction, taking your time. Letting go of any tension you don't need. And then hug the tree, bring it back to center. Step the foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the hands draw in towards the heart. Step out to the corner, pushing the mountain. Drawing back in, pushing back out. Feeling the sensations. One more time, the push. This time the arms float all the way up and over as if you're draping a coat right over your shoulder, and then push through. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, draping the coat. One more time. And then step the front foot back in. The hands come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight, step in, step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. And you can sigh out at any time. It's always encouraged. It's like a release valve for stress. One more time, the push. This time the arms float all the way up and over, draping the coat over the shoulder, and then pushing through. Coming all the way up. Opening the shoulders, creating mobility and flexibility. One more time, draping the coat. And then step the front foot in, hug the tree, rounding out and soften. From here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, the hands come forward as the hips go back. Then the palms face away from each other. They open as you rise up, scooping under, two hands offering. Offering gratitude and compassion, love and presence. The hands come forward, the hips go back. Open, one more time, two hands offering. Beautiful. And then from here, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And then this hand here floats all the way up and over, and then down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Creating mental focus and clarity. Creating presence. One more time, centering. This time, both arms float all the way up and over just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften the hips and knees. Circle in front, gather in the energy, bring it into the heart for loving kindness and self-compassion. The hands float down one more time, open the heart, rising up, softening down. This time, making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze and let your body rock and sway ever so slightly, bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow.